Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my IPSY bag to share with you guys. So there is an item outside of the bag, and it is this Meteor Shower by Black, B-L-A-Q. It says, "Baby, did you fall out of outer space?" Formulated with actual meteorite dust from outer space. What? Oh, does not smell good. It does not smell good. Is this how outer space smells? I don't know. The smell, it's not the best smell. I do love exfoliating in the shower. I usually make my own coffee scrub and it does a really good job, but I mean, it'll be interesting. Interesting to use. I don't know. I'll update you guys in the description box once I use it. And this is the bag for this month. It's so cute. It's really pretty. Let's open it up, shall we? And the first item is called Estate Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder. That's cool. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. Awesome. This is Do Me Afterglow. I guess Afterglow is the name of this specific highlight. And it's like this light lavender shade, which I normally don't ever use, but that's okay. I guess you can use it as an eyeshadow. Wow. I'm gonna try it out on the eyes first. Ooh, that is bright. This actually reminds me of an eyeshadow in the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. I think it's called Cosmo or something. The next item in the bag, oh my gosh. The next item in the bag is this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. And this is in the color medium tan or warm medium. That's cool. This is like really thick. Not like used to, I mean, like it feels really thick because it's pretty like oily feeling. Not bad at all. It actually suits my skin tone pretty well, which you know, I'm always worried about when I get like concealers and foundations and subscription boxes because they don't really match the best, but this one is not so bad. I'm gonna set it down with some powder, and you guys are gonna have to excuse my skin because it is so dry, like more dry than it has been all winter, because I have been getting over well, it's been allergies, not really cold or anything, but yeah, I've been like blowing my nose like crazy. So it's like really dry around this area. So if you see anything happen, you know, in this area, just ignore it. The next item in the bag is this fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology by Pure. So I guess their theme was like, I don't know, like futuristic, galaxy-like, I don't know. What? Did it have a card? Oh yeah. Oh, they had a card with all these people on it. It just says IPSY unzipped. I don't know. Let's try this baby out. Okay, so that's just one coat and it covered pretty well. It made quite a big difference, as you can see. Yeah, I really like this mascara. This is so awesome. And the final item in the bag is by Bang Beauty. So this is the Bang Beauty blush in Cheeky see if I can open this. Oh. Oh! Ouch. Yeah, I totally dug my nail in it trying to open this. Look at that. Ugh. Hate when that happens. Okay. This is the blush. It's really pretty. It's super, like, I don't know, warm, and there's like a peachiness to it. It's really pretty. It's like a satin finish too. Oh, and it comes with a little mirror. That's cute. That's a pretty blush though. I really like it. It gives like a nice flush to the cheeks, which is all I'm asking for in a blush. And it has like a nice sheen. So it's not, it's definitely not matte, so it won't like dull down your face. It brings like a little brightness to it, which I really like. I like it. Nice. All right, so that is it for my IPSY bag unbagging. I have to say, I'm quite surprised with the items that were in the bag this month. Since it was February, I always imagine, you know, my subscription boxes to have Valentine's-y goodies, like red lipstick and red this, red that, pink, you know what I'm saying. But the bag definitely fell in that category, but all this other stuff was like very outer space, except for the blush, but the blush packaging. My favorite products for this month's bag. I'm gonna have to say the mascara. I actually really like the mascara. And I really like the blush. It was really pretty. It's just really hard to open, so I'm not gonna attempt opening it. And I really love that they included a concealer. I really like these 3 products, which is, I mean, awesome. Your bag is only $10 a month, so this is great. It's great. I really love it. It wouldn't be a video of mine if I didn't drop something. All right, guys, so that's it for my IPSY bag unbagging. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.